Patients who are unhappy with their dentures are now more curious than ever about what options are available to them. There's a lot of talk about All-on-4 or teeth in a day. We're going to clarify what that means here right now. All-on-4, otherwise known as teeth in a day, is basically a replacement for your teeth. It's a whole new set of dentition, utilizing the benefits of dental implants. Patients who have been living with pain for a long time, unhappy with their teeth, unhappy with their smile, dealing with the uncomfortableness of dentures, not being able to eat the foods and chew foods that they used to be able to eat, might be candidates for All-on-4. Technology at our office really helps our patients in so many different ways. It's more convenient, much less pain, and it alleviates a lot of our patients' fears. The technology is nothing without the amazing team we have here at Dentistry at its finest. We're here to listen to you, and we're here to treat you as an individual and give you the best possible treatment and care. For patients interested in dental implants, specifically All-on-4, come in for a free consultation. Call, text, email us to find out more.